Ready to stop losing a slice of your cash every time you use Venmo? If you're like millions, Venmo is a go-to for splitting checks, paying roommates, or settling up with friends. It's fast, it's easy, and it feels free, right? Well, not always. Those little transaction fees can really add up, especially if you're using the app to manage business expenses, accept payments for a side gig, or when you need cash right now. But what if I told you that with a few simple tweaks, you could almost completely eliminate those pesky charges? You can keep more of your hard-earned money and still enjoy the convenience of this popular payment app. I'm going to walk you through the 3 biggest ways Venmo will charge you, and more importantly, exactly how to sidestep them. 1. Stop paying for instant transfers. The most common fee people encounter is the instant transfer fee. When you move money from your Venmo balance to your bank account, the standard transfer takes 1 to 3 business days. That's the free option. However, if you need that money instantly, Venmo charges a fee, 1.75% of the transfer amount, with a minimum fee of 25 cents and a maximum of $25. The fix. It's simple. Use the standard, free transfer. Plan ahead. If you know you'll need the cash in a few days, initiate the transfer then. But what if you need instant access? The Venmo debit card is your secret weapon. You can spend the money directly from your Venmo balance anywhere MasterCard is accepted, and you can even use it at ATMs. This completely bypasses the need for an instant bank transfer and, most importantly, it costs you nothing. 2. Avoid the business transaction fee. Are you using Venmo to accept payments for goods or services? Maybe you're selling things online or running a small freelance side hustle. Be careful, because using a personal account for this breaks Venmo's terms and you could be flagged. When you use the app for a commercial transaction, Venmo charges the sender a 3% transaction fee unless you are using a dedicated business profile. When you use a Venmo business profile, you're charged a smaller, standard 1.9% fee plus 10 cents on transactions over $1. The fix. If you are accepting payment for a service or sale, you absolutely need to set up a Venmo business profile. Yes, you'll still pay a small fee, but it's the cost of doing business and it's significantly less than the 3% charge on personal payments. Plus, it keeps you compliant with Venmo's rules. 3. Don't pay for credit card funding. This is a big one. When you send money to a friend, you have a few options for where the funds come from: your Venmo balance, your linked bank account, or a debit card, all of which are free. But if you choose to fund your personal payment using a linked credit card, Venmo hits you with a 3% fee. The fix. Simple. Never use a credit card for personal payments. When you're sending money to a friend, always select your bank account or debit card as the funding source. Unless you are actively trying to meet a credit card sign-up bonus or you're maximizing rewards and you've weighed the 3% fee against the reward, it's just not worth it. Use your bank account instead. So, to recap the 3 quick ways to save: choose the free standard transfer, use a business profile for services, and pay with your bank account, not a credit card. These small changes will put money back in your pocket right away. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.